Okay, so you bought those fancy, high-quality, expensive clothes a YouTuber told you to. Now what? Sure, it all starts with the styling tips and creating those stunning outfits, but what stylish people really do to always look put together and elegant is take proper care of their clothes. And today I am going to show you how. With this simple 12 steps, you will not only elevate your style, but also save money in the long run. It's all about care and attention you give to your clothes after you bring them home. Respect your closet and you will always look chic and elegant.
I've been to the top of Mount Everest. I've sailed the 7 seas. I've shared the stage with all the best.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Elena and I'm a professional stylist with over 12 years of experience. By the end of this video, you will get the tools how to keep your clothes looking as fabulous as the day you bought them, day after day. So we will start with the more basic questions like how to wash your clothes, and then we will dive into something more complex, like for example, how to iron your leather short or what causes peeling on your favorite sweater. So no more constant shopping for new clothes. So let's get started and unlock those secrets. Your wardrobe and your wallet will thank you. Wash your clothes less. I know it sounds basic, but I want you to understand that every time you wash your clothes, you damage the fibers. So the less you wash your clothes, the more they maintain their quality. Most of your clothes probably doesn't need to be washed as often as you think. I know many people who wash their clothes not because they need to be refreshed, but just because they think it's time to do so. If your jeans look clean, smell clean, it means they are clean. Overwashing not only wastes water and energy, but also wear your clothes out faster. So things like trousers, jeans, knitwear, those are things that do not need to be washed every other time you wear them. And another crucial thing you have to understand about washing is the spin speed. The lower speed, the more gentle it is to your clothes. High speed always damages the fibers. Even if it's just your jeans, denim is considered to be a very stiff and tough material. Even your jeans suffer a lot when you wash them using high spin speeds. It is also an important energy-saving tip for your washing machine. The less you use it, the more energy you save, and it's better for the environment. It's a win-win for everyone. Washing tip number 2, always wash your clothes inside out. Simply turn them inside out before putting them into the washing machine, or consider using laundromat for added protection. This simple trick helps safeguard the fibers of your clothes from mechanical damage of the washing machine. It's an easy step, but your clothes will thank you later. Always follow the care labels. So before you want to wash or iron anything in your wardrobe, please look at the care labels and make sure you are following the specific instructions. It is important in order to wash and clean your garments correctly. For example, certain items of clothing may shrink in hot water and others may be dry clean only. So by following the care labels correctly, you are not only maintaining the quality of your clothes, but also giving them a longer lifespan. Dry your clothes correctly. Tumble dryers can be really rough. It's another damaging process in your washing routine. I know it all depends on climate you live in. I live in Portugal and I know that sometimes it's just impossible to air dry my clothes, but I will never use a tumble dryer for my cashmere or wool sweaters, because I know if I want my precious cashmere sweater to last, it should not see the inside of a tumble dryer. If I need to air dry my knits, I would lay those pieces as flat as possible so the garment doesn't stretch with the weight of the water dragging it down, which would happen if you hung it vertically. So what options do we have? Like for example, if you have a blazer or a jacket and it feels like it needs to be refreshed, I would say use a steamer. because steam kills approximately 95% of bacteria, and it means that this is a very easy and economical way to refresh your blazer or a jacket without bringing it to the dry cleaner every other day. Storing your clothes, and eternal question, to hang or to fold. So I want you to remember that you want to hang trousers, jackets, blazers, skirts, dresses, coats. Did I mention coats? Anyway, and those materials that are easily wrinkled or delicate, like for example silk, leather or linen. But you want to fold sweaters, t-shirts, tank tops, especially knitwear. Jumpers, sweaters especially should be folded, as when hung they can sag and stretch. And make sure you're using the best hangers, wire hangers or even plastic hangers. You don't want to use this because this will ruin and damage your t-shirt. So what I want you to do is to find padded or wooden hangers like this one. This is something that you need. And what I love about this hanger is just, look, it follows my natural curves, natural lines of my shoulders. It means that this is the best one. And I know many of you think that this padded hanger is a nice idea. No, it's not. Do you know why? Because look, it doesn't follow the natural lines of my shoulders. If I had shoulders like this, but no. Now let's take a moment and reflect on your wardrobe. Are you happy with what you see? Are you happy with the outfits and styles you create every morning? If you are unsure, I've got something for you. I have developed a very short but effective style quiz. Take this quiz and you will understand what you might be doing wrong and what your next steps should be in your style journey. It will take only a few minutes, it's absolutely free. Take this quiz and you will get your personal wardrobe plan right into your inbox. Your personal wardrobe plan will guide you to create a capsule wardrobe that aligns with your current lifestyle, understand the basics, and create stylish and bold outfits. Be sure to check out the link to the style quiz in the description box, and I am 100% that the moment you take the quiz and you get your personal wardrobe plan, you will have this aha moment when you realize and understand what your next step should be. Back to the topic, remember, never pull your hanger out from the neckline because this movement destroys your neckline. It doesn't matter whether it's a t-shirt or a sweater, don't do that. Pants and skirts. You want to have this kind of a hanger with clips for your trousers, pants, skirts. This is the key to maintaining their shape, the shape of your garments, and preventing stretching, thus extending their lifespan. And plus, this is very convenient because when you wake up in the morning, you don't have like extra time for ironing your clothes. You just grab your pants and you're ready to go. Now again about iron and steam. Please, I want you to follow care labels of your garments. This is especially crucial when we're talking about delicate fibers such as, let's take cashmere for example. Cashmere is a fluffy undercoat of cashmere goats. And it means if you use too much heat, it will damage, it will ruin forever delicate fibers of cashmere. Now, how to iron your leather pieces. So what you want to do, let's take for example my leather shirt. So what you want to do, spread it out, make sure it's unwrinkled. Then you want to have a piece of brown craft paper. I have like a few layers of it. It will work as a shield to protect delicate leather's surface. And what you want to do is take your iron, put it on medium settings, and like this is the most important, no steam, it has to be absolutely dry. And do your thing as always, but just be patient because it will take some time, but this is the only right way to iron your leather pieces. And now a few words about pills and leans. It's a common issue. Even expensive sweaters, as they age, can develop those fuzz balls, making them look old and worn out. But there's a simple solution for that. You can use a regular razor to get rid of them. Or you can use this guy, it's called like a fabric shaver. Yes, this is a fabric shaver that has been in my wardrobe for a century already. And just spending an extra 10 minutes can refresh your sweater, saving you from deciding to buy a new one. Think of this as an essential step in caring for your knitwear. It brings life back to your old sweaters, making them look fresh and clean. And a very important note, it's a misconception often stated online that peeling is a sign of a poor quality. It's not. I had been fortunate to have my own clothing line, but that was a century ago, it's already closed. But I had opportunity to talk to the best top technologists of manufacture industry, and from them I learned that peeling is a natural process of many fabrics due to like the wearing, the friction and everything like that. So I want you to think that this is a natural process. It doesn't mean that you bought the wrong sweater. You bought the right sweater, just you have to take care of it. Rub test, the last one. If you want to avoid having these problems with peelings, because there are some fabrics that are more or less prone to developing those fuzz balls, before buying your new sweater, rub test. So just rub a small section of the fabric against itself and watch the reaction. The formation of small balls can indicate a tendency towards peeling. But remember, this is not an outright indicator of poor quality. Peeling is a natural characteristic of many fabrics, not a flaw. And that's it for today, guys. I do really hope that you loved this video. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, leave your comments, and gentle reminder at the end of the video. I will repeat it one more time, but I want you to hear this. Every time you see a stylish person on the street or here on YouTube, I want you to understand that it's not only about buying the right clothes or styling tips or whatever, it's equally about taking care of your wardrobe. So spend those extra 10 minutes per week or per month, but this is something that will crucially elevate your style game. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to check my info box for the link to my style quiz, and see you in the next one.